Quick and easy sugar cookies. Here is a quick walkthrough on how to make them. Cookie ingredients: 2 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, ½ teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup butter and soften, 1½ cups white sugar and 2 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: stir together flour, baking powder. Cream together the butter and sugar until smooth. Beat in eggs and vanilla essence. Gradually blend in the dry ingredients. Bake 8 to 10 minutes in the preheated oven. Bake 8 to 10 minutes in the preheated oven. Set aside to cool. Happy baking!